Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of AGRI109 online lab. Again, welcome, but I just wanted to say I'm always super impressed with students who tackle a lab online because it means a lot more work on your guys' part versus my part. So if you have a lab here, then I bring all the supplies. You do it at home, that's on you guys. So I love your stuff from week 1. I can't wait to see what continues to happen, but props to you guys for doing this. All right, so let me share my screen and we'll go into week 2 and discuss that a little bit more. All right, here we are into Blackboard. You guys have been through all of that. Let's go into the learning modules. And of course, only week 1's there. Hang on, let me turn this on. Let's go into week 2 real quick. All right, so you'll notice once you get into week 2, there'll be an intro video and module 2 for week 2. Go ahead and get into that. This week, it's all about the scientific method. And this is so widespread. This is not just an animal science thing. The scientific method, you've probably heard of this before, but this is how any scientist works through a problem. And problems are usually started with us asking a question or a hypothesis. Why does the wind in this area generally blow from a southeast direction? Actually, I have no idea. I haven't even thought about that in a while. But those kind of things. And then you formally create a study to go through that and try and figure out the whys, your hypothesis. It blows from that area because the jet streams do this or whatever it is. Obviously, I'm not a weather person, not sure I went there. Okay, so as we go down, everything like usual is going to be due Sunday at midnight. The first section is supplemental material. So especially if you're not familiar with the scientific method or haven't done things before, these are 2 great resources for you to go through and read about it. There's also a video for you to watch on things. And then the actual lab report, if you click on that, it has everything. So all the dialogue, and you go through things. There are 2 options this week. You do not need to do both experiments. Pick one or the other. There is a small amount of extra credit to be had if you do both, but if you don't have time, don't worry about it. It's not a big chunk of extra points. If you do experiment 2, this video will be relevant. If you choose experiment 1, you don't need that video. So you're going to grab that. You're going to go through it, figure out what you want to do, get your experiment. And when you want to give your results and talk to me about your experiment, this is the lab report. So this is a condensed version of what's above. Once again, pick 1 or 2 and then submit it here. All right, well, if you have any hiccups or questions or something's not working quite right, you know how to reach me. Email, definitely. A lot of you guys have already, but that's one of the best ways to reach me. Or you can drop in. I have my drop-in hours listed online, and also I'm here Monday through Thursday. Thursdays I'm teaching quite a bit, but Monday through Wednesday I'm more often in the office than not, especially if you get in before 2:30. All right. Well, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you again next week in a video. Bye.